Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com and I am Dr. Hammad Haider, and today our lecture topic is the autonomic nervous system and visceral reflexes. We will have, as usual, 5 sections. In the first section, we'll be going through the general properties of autonomic nervous system. We'll be going through how the autonomic nervous system is actually organized in our body. What are the sympathetic part, what is the parasympathetic part, and how actually it functions in our body. In the second section, we'll be going through the sympathetic part of the autonomic system, which is the major and more important part. Then we will be going through the parasympathetic part of autonomic nervous system. In the third section, we'll be discussing what are the afferent and efferent fibers of the parasympathetic nervous system, what is the craniosacral outflow, and how the parasympathetic nervous system affects our body. In the fourth section, we will be discussing in details the effect of the autonomic nervous system and how it actually influences the different functions of different viscera in our body. In the fifth section, lastly, we will be discussing certain clinical diseases which are solely related to autonomic nervous system. For example, Horner syndrome. We'll be discussing what happens if the spinal cord injury actually occurs, if there is a stoppage of sympathetic or parasympathetic outflow to bladder, and what are the effects on the bladder. And we'll be discussing as well as the Raynaud's disease, which is also associated with the sympathetic nervous system. Keep watching sqadia.com.